Hey guys, today I'll be packing my bag for my layover. As I'm a cabin crew तो within 1 month में 2 या 3 बार तो बैग पैकिंग हो ही जाती है. So I thought to shoot a video and share with you guys some of my tips that how I pack and some of my travel hacks that I use. I hope it will really helpful for you guys. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first thing first, I really recommend making a packing list so that you don't forget to pack anything. I used to think I could remember everything, but there are so many things to keep in mind, so writing down everything makes a lot more easier and also serves as a last minute checklist once you are done with your packing. Remember to check the weather before you start packing since I'm going to Mumbai and it's a beach city, so there will be very hot and sunny weather, so I'll be packing according to that. So I'll pack very summery and light clothes. Planning your entire outfit, it's including shoes, slippers and accessories before you go on your trip is one of the best things to do. I always pack my entire outfit, not an individual item. This is for those who are fitness freaks, so if you're fitness freaks, so don't forget to carry your gym outfit. Make sure to carry a laundry bag to keep dirty and clean clothes separate. It will prevent you clean clothes from getting stinky, and second, make unpacking much easier at home. The next step is very common one. When you are packing your clothes and shoes, usually the shoes of your bottoms are pretty dirty and you definitely don't want your clothes to get dirty from that. So make sure you always put your shoes in a shoe bag or in a plastic bag to avoid any dirt or anything on your clean clothes. Packing big bottles of liquid like face wash, shower gel, creams, conditioners, etc. for travel can be a pain. They either leak or open up during the flight or taken up too much space in our luggage. So instead of buying travel size bottles for each of them, a better way to buy a pack of empty travel bottles like these and fill them your essentials. And keep your all liquid bottles in a plastic bag, so if they will leak, so the other stuff in your bag will remain safe. We all have more eyeshadows and lipsticks than we know what to do with, but think realistically how much makeup actually you are going to wear on your trip. So minimize your makeup and store them all together in a pouch. Also, don't forget to keep your first aid pouch. If you are on medication, then it's a mandate step. I have kept this small pouch for my medicines like bandage, Calpol, pain reliever, cold medicines, or for any emergency. Last but not the least, this next one is very handy for your backpack or carry-on. If you have a lot of random cords, charger, earpods, etc., it's really handy to keep and in a separate pouch. This way the cords won't get tangled and you already know where you find your charger and earphone. So that's it guys for my today's video. If you liked my travel tricks and hacks, so please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.